Before you cook them, it should have been soaking well in the water to give it more time to grow. It actually grows some more, and it keeps it fresh. Then you wash it fresh in the water, ready for cooking. And then you wait until your water boils. Okay, you take them now to the boiling water and cover it. Okay, now how do I cook my asparagus? First, I clean them, wash them well, and trim the hard part. So I just keep the younger part where it's easier to bite and no fibers. Then I boil my water first. So when it's crisp, when it's boiling well, that's the time I'm gonna put the asparagus in. If I do it in the microwave, I'm gonna microwave this for 7 minutes. But if I'm doing it here in the boiling water, although I'll do it almost the same time, but depends the cooking. I'm gonna boil it about 5 minutes only. Okay.
And it also expresses a deep sense of frustration with the even greater isolation that he was experiencing before. I mean, his confinement before the pandemic was already unimaginable. What has happened
Turn off for safety.
very sporadic letters.
There, it's ready to eat. Put some margarine on. Remove it from the water.